Unfortunately, 12 to ang painay ang no polling agent ang dahil lang ulo some miscreants ngka ozagawo so which jung to against pura namon to against no ang to against no violent free and fair election nok salaimani they any opposite candidate was agano so kana counting utomo ba tawan sino best wishes kana no.
Thank you, all the best.
Okay, amon no chin koimong let it be free fair election and say no to violence all the time. Pre-polling to post-polling to violence is not going to bring any solution. So you can see us also. Tomorrow, I congratulated him for his candidate also, and all the best to him. Andara sing kuwa.
Unexpected mono. Very unfortunately, near 5:50 no notification nunggu. Ang cover month almost 6 PM ngi thanta. Reason actually two reasons reject tunga jagao. However, ang ani workers of fun facing that for kuno violence dan for sada giya sungja. However, abo polling payment yagulo sini sahoro hai te boro. And the kwthalaimani kita misa abo that has nothing to do with the polling. Anyway, the polling no other thing gitu apa tu semat lagi ni. But Mia tumunga notification dia way 13 tarik, 14 tarik, or at least 15 tarik में फुंगोपो दिखाएंगे चाक kamu aku sekarang ni. However, tadi tu kaham ke polling solid tu. My brother is also here, and as he said, congratulations result bobo, ang mo result mana. Tabu dia na tangi thangka. Soon together, April 10 musuh 11 Moharani Pro Telamura constituency ni public resmi ya, ente tibrahani. Karena election nai, sorry counting nai, applying nai, chain nai, apa part of election. So kaya kaisa violence start lagi. After all, tibrasa be tibrasa, masa tibrasa bugat kan, lagi sablo bugat, sini borno bugat. Masa tibrasore nok mus hokjak kan gai tamnani tin borok di nok ros hokjak bule so apron tis en tamnani hasal khai tonga nangne aboni bagi abunani koimung tonai tin mo constituency ni simia ente tibrahani constituency en ang mo bo koine hi se tini opposition nung thung non ADC ni boro tu ya tong chau because faith deficit in that tawasi ni boro ni bisingo main problem jeng lai man ka faith deficit ose ang nugja khai te gabang ma gana ginyo boro rungsa klai bosa laija seng kan hai tangai to bijas thangma ya mamang hin so I think faith to some bill khan ni nang lai immediately tong ya it will take time but definitely seng mo constituency in seng and I'll tell you one thing I believe in more constituency no constituency simi no kaisa ne kaisa hamla chale not just against BJP CPM ne against abo IPF ne against abo Congress ne against abo kun hamya sa chini ideology no ti chini issue no ti simi sen kok chale right yes so sumo message na ni musungo o jaga simi enter tipra ho no mo hiking na ni